Hello everybody, myself Jyoti from Suraj School, Rewari, presenting atmospheric refraction from Humaneye and colourful world of class 10th physics. First of all, what is atmospheric refraction? What is the meaning of atmospheric refraction? Students, atmospheric refraction means refraction of light due to different layers of atmosphere is called atmospheric refraction. When light enters in our atmosphere, we know that our atmosphere have different layers with different density. So when light enters in different layers of atmosphere, then due to the difference in density of these layers, light sometime travels with faster speed and sometimes travels with slower speed. That means it bends, it refracts. That is called atmospheric refraction. Due to this phenomena, atmospheric refraction, some advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Let us explain this phenomena. At the time of sunrise and sunset, it is our earth and it is horizon. Just at the time of sunrise, sun is just below the horizon. It is the time of sunrise. When sun rays enters in our atmosphere, then due to atmospheric refraction, it bends. And bended light reaches to the earth. And our eyes makes the image of sun in the straight position of these bended light, which makes the virtual image of sun, that is above the horizon, so that we can see the advanced sunrise. It is the original position of sun just below the horizon, and it is the virtual position of sun above the horizon. And the time gap between the original position of sun and the virtual image of the sun is 2 minutes. That means due to the atmospheric refraction, by the atmospheric refraction, we can see the image of sun 2 minutes before. This happens at the time of sunset. After the sunset, sun goes below the horizon. And like this way, when sun rays enters in atmosphere, they bends and earth gets bended light. And our eyes makes the virtual image of sun above the horizon. That means we can get the sunshine 2 minutes before at the time of sunrise and 2 minutes later, 2 minutes after at the time of sunset. This means that our day starts 2 minutes before and 2 minutes later. This is the reason that why our day becomes 4 minutes longer. Now, and another phenomena is that can we see the original position of stars in the sky? Can we see the original position of stars in the space? No. Due to the atmospheric refraction, suppose it is a star. It is the original position of a star and it is our earth. When starlight enters in atmosphere, then due to the atmospheric refraction, it bends. And again, our eyes makes the image of this star in the straight position of bended light, which is above the original position of the star. It is the virtual position of a star that we see, and it is the original position of a star. So that we can say that due to the atmospheric refraction, stars appears higher position than actually they are. Now, how can we differentiate between a planet and star? When we see in the sky, we see large number of stars and planets. Then how can we differentiate them? We differentiate them that stars are twinkle and planets are not twinkle. Then why stars are twinkle? Again, due to the atmospheric refraction. We all know that stars are very far from us. Sun is the nearest star. Most other stars are very far from us, so that they considered as a very small source of light. And the thin beam of light from a star reaches to the earth. And when this thin beam of light enters in our atmosphere, then due to atmospheric refraction, sometimes its speed becomes faster and sometimes its speed becomes slower. Sometimes its shine becomes brighter, sometimes its shine becomes dimmer. And due to this brighter and dimmer effect, stars twinkle. We can see that stars are twinkling. Whereas planets are near to us in comparison to the stars. So they are big source of light for us. So thick beam of light enters. That's why the brighter and dimmer effect of light both neutralize each other. And we could not see the net effect of brightening and dimming of light. That's why we could not see that planets are twinkling. Like this way, atmospheric refraction causes different phenomena in our earth, on our earth, like advanced sunrise, delayed sunset, higher position of stars and twinkling of stars, and planets do not twinkle. Thank you and have a nice day.